just seasoning the beef with salt. I'm going light on the salt, so I've used half a teaspoon because I'm gonna be using some stock cubes. I've added pepper, so pepper to taste. And we're gonna give this a good mix. We are then going to brown the beef stew. The browning is optional, but I find it gives the stew so much flavor. So I've just added 2 tablespoons of olive oil to my Ninja pressure cooker. The oil is nice and hot, and I'm just gonna add in the beef stewing cubes. Add onion, garlic, you then want to deglaze using stock. We're then going to add the meat, and then we're going to add the potatoes. Mix to combine. I just added in 4 medium-sized potatoes, and you don't want to cut them up too small. You want to go for a chunkier cut. This will help them keep their shape during pressure cooking. I'm then adding in 2 medium-sized chopped carrots, also cut into chunks. And we're going to follow this up with a 1/3 cup of red wine, canned tomatoes, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And we're just going to top this up with some more broth before pressure cooking. At this point, you don't want to stir it. Put on the pressure cooking lid. Make sure it's set to seal. Set it to the pressure cooking function and set the time to 35 minutes. And to thicken the soup, we're going to make a cornstarch slurry by combining cornstarch with water, and we're just going to add this into the soup. Next, you're going to add the frozen vegetables, and you're going to cook this on the saute mode for 5 to 7 minutes or until warmed through. And just before serving, you're going to garnish it with chopped parsley. Serve it with bread, rice, or your favorite dishes.